Hi, in this video we will create this animation. Let me show you the preview first. So here is some text written on the screen. When I click, here comes a line, and after on my next click it comes down and hide the text, and on next click it reveal another text, and after last click it removes. So let us create this. So for this I'll click on new slide and take it as blank, and from here I'll insert a text box like this, and in it I'll write, let's say, present, and I'll select the text box and increase the size of font, and I'll choose it from here Arial black, and I'll adjust the size of text box, and after that I'll go to the format tab and align it to the middle and align to center. And now we have to get the duplicate of it, so I'll press Ctrl D. So let me place it here. So now here I'll write, let's say, future. So now we have inserted two text boxes. So now we have to draw a rounded rectangle here. You can click on this and draw here easily. Let me increase it, and then from here yellow circle you can adjust your shapes as you want. And now I'll make it a little bit thin, and I'll go to the format tab and I'll remove the shape outline, and I'll change its color to black, and I'll also change its length a little bit, and I'll place it here. So let me go to the align option, and I'll align it in center. So now it is looking good. So now let me bring this some below. So here it is looking okay, and after that we have to go insert a rectangle from here, and I'll draw in this way. Let me increase the length of the line, and I'll go to format tab and align center. So now I will click on that rectangle and remove the outline from here and change the color to white. So now we have created a ghost element. So now I'll click on line, and I'll click on this holding the control button, and I'll press Ctrl G to group them. So now we have grouped the both elements, and after that what you have to do is that select this group element and now go to animations tab and apply split animation on it. So now by default it is presenting this type of effect, so click on effect options and I'll click on vertical out. So now our first animation is ready. After that I'll click on animation pane, and from here I'll select the group again and I'll click on add animation, and from here I'll click on lines. So this kind of animation is created. What I'll do is here that from here red circle, I'll click on it and press the shift button and bring it a little bit above right here. And after that, after adjusting these, you can check the preview of animation. So here is the first animation, and on next click these animations come. So our two animations are ready. Let me decrease its duration to 1.5 seconds, and I think this is a little bit on the right side, so let me saturate it. So after that we have to click on this present text box and click on, from here we have to get more options and click on disappear, and from here click on after previous. So now this will be disappeared when this box come below, and now click on this text box and from here apply the appear animation, and click on this and choose from here with previous. So after that click on the group and click on add animation and click on lines, and from here click on up. So after that click on this last animation and bring this starting point by holding the shift button to below where your line was, and click on this red circle and bring it somewhere here. And now our animation is okay, and after that we will go to the animation preview. Let us check it. So this comes down and above. So one thing remains here to be adjusted. We'll click on this text box and go to the format tab, align center and align middle. So you can simply do it by your mouse. So after that, let us preview it again. So first click, second click and third click. So our animation is ready. There remains our last animation. Let us click on this and go to animations tab and click on add animation, and from here we will choose a spin but from exit section. Click on split and your animation are ready. And let us play for the last time. Here you can see our line has come, and on next click it comes down and disappears the text. On next click it comes up and reveals the next text, and on last click it goes away. So in this way you can create this engaging custom animation in PowerPoint. For similar videos you can hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching video till the end.